Whaley recording for me.
Yeah.
I did like 11-9-1-2 said. I left it up in there for 8 minutes. And I went somewhere for a while and let it cool down. So let's see. Ooh.
Looks like some big chunks. Oh, yummy.
They
Yeah.
burnt.
It's okay. It still look good.
Ooh, they're huge. Oh my God.
Gosh. I can't believe them. They're so huge. They take up the whole bowl.
God, look at this one.
Dang, that's so big.
I know. It's burnt, but
Oh, well.
well, I'm gonna take that out.
Oh, that's super big.
Mm-hmm. Dang, they huge, but they got a little burnt on them. But they big. Especially this one. God, oh wow. I'm gonna take the burnt pieces out.
You should just, like, scrape them off and eat it.
Oh man. Throw that in a box. Ugh, I don't want to get burnt stuff all over. Look, ugh. You can see the burnt. But next time, I ain't crunchy.
They ain't.
Oh, you know why?
Why? But they're squishy.
Oh no. I can't believe I burnt them.
They feel good.
Next time, I just put them in there for 6.
It's hot, but it's okay.
It's hot? I mixed this with Clever Girl, the little time. Yeah, this is my video, yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe.
As always.
Bailey's so funny. These is big chunks, though.
If you don't know who I am, I'm a special guest of hers.
Be quiet.
I'm her daughter.
Bailey gonna be helping me with the starch giveaway.
Yes. You don't see me in her videos because I'm usually gone at somewhere.
Good, because you'll try to eat up all the starch.
You know me, I love starch. Try to sneak one of the big pieces. Just scrape it.
Again, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Good night.